Good afternoon from sad days. As you know, we had two massive earthquakes in Turkey and in Syria, which caused serial deaths and serious injuries and serious problems. As far as I follow, more than 40,000 people passed away during these two earthquakes, and more than 150,000 people are hospitalized, and more than 200,000 people lost their homes. All, when you count them all, it's such a big tragedy actually. By between terrible and hell for me, and it's hard. It's really hard to say something about it. Just 2 days before the earthquakes, one of my friends from Antalya, she lost her daughter. She grew on our hands actually. Since 12 she had cancer, and she had medical trainings, several medical cures, and even replacement of the bones on her leg. She couldn't make it, and just 2 days before the earthquakes we lost her. And after that, these earthquakes, I was speechless actually. I was really speechless. That's why I couldn't take a video. I couldn't speak actually. Same as all tragedies, some of the chakals are walking around actually. I see several Bitcoin accounts, several personal accounts. They are saying that they are collecting money to help to Turkey and Syria. Please don't. Please don't. You can make, if you wish to help, of course, with more than welcome to Turkey and to Syria, but please don't give any money or anything to the people. Make it official. Don't let chakals to have benefits from this tragedies. For money donations, you can follow the Turkish or Syria embassy announcements as of if they have a local account or not. If not, you can send money to AFAD. AFAD is the official search and rescue organization of Turkey. AKUT, first credited NGO of Turkey for search and rescue, AKUT, and AHBAP is one of the civil organizations. Mr. Haluk Levent, the founder of this organization, you can make donations to AHBAP. These three are official and working with government, Turkish government. For Syria, you can get in touch with the embassies to make the donations by hand. But except on this ways, please don't give any money to anyone, because of that they wish to use these tragedies to create some benefits for themselves. Sincere condolences, Turkey. Sincere condolences, Syria. Hopefully all will be better soon. Hopefully. Take care.